Nigerians are now looking at ways to make their money work. Some are trying small businesses, some forex, some crypto. But one option that is quietly changing lives is the Nigerian stocks. Now, the Nigerian stock market is moving interestingly. The all-share index is hovering between 138,000 to 140,000 points. That is the scoreboard that shows how all listed companies in Nigeria are performing. Some investors are cautious. Some are excited because right now, timing is key. And here is the exciting part. While big companies are in the spotlight, Nigerian penny stocks, the small, cheap companies, can explode if news hits the markets. And guess what? You don't need a lot of money to buy into penny stocks. Even a few thousand naira can buy shares that could double or triple in the right condition. Over the past few years, more Nigerians have started learning about stocks. People now talk about investing, not just salaries. You go to a bus stop, you hear someone say, I just bought AIICO shares. And that is why today we're going to talk about 5 penny stocks that have the potential to explode in 2025, including their recent news, and why everyday Nigerians can participate. If this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Please like and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Penny stocks are small companies with cheap share prices. They are like buying a tiny piece of a company for just a few naira. You don't need a lot of money to buy penny stocks. Even 2,000, 5,000 naira can get you in. These stocks are exciting because they are overlooked. So even small news can cause big moves. And that is what makes Nigerian penny stocks very interesting right now. But remember, with small companies come risk. So we will also talk about how to manage your money right in this video. First up, Sunu Assurance, trading at 1 naira 78 kobo. Prestige is a classic Nigerian penny stock. Think about it, less than 2 naira per share. You can buy 1,000 shares for under 2,000 naira. Prestige posted Q2 revenue of 5.26 billion. But here is the exciting part. Insurance in Nigeria is growing. More people are buying cars, opening shops, starting businesses. When Prestige finally posts profits, this cheap Nigerian stock will easily double. Now imagine buying 1,000 shares at 1.78 naira today and check back in 3 to 6 months. And next is Sunu Assurances, currently trading 5.50 kobo. This is another Nigerian stock in the insurance sector. They expect 11.9 billion in revenue this month. Sunu Assurance is meeting recapitalization requirements from the federal government. That is regulators saying they are serious. And for Nigerians watching the market, this Nigerian stock could be a surprise if profit improves next quarter. Sunu Assurance is a classic penny stocks that can give you a lot of profits. Third on our list is AIICO Insurance at 3.49 naira. Recently, this Nigerian stock hit a 52-week high, climbing about 60%, even though net profit dipped slightly. EPS grew from 0.11 naira to 0.18 naira, and they declared a 7-cent dividend. You buy 10,000 shares for 34,000, and the prices rise with dividend over time. That is the beauty of Nigerian stocks. Even small investments can go quietly, and you don't need a lot of money to buy penny stocks. As little as 2,000 to 5,000 can get you a lot of shares on these penny stocks. Next, Chams Holding, currently trading at 2 naira 80 kobo. Chams is a fintech focused Nigerian stock handling digital IDs and payments. They launched a 7.65 billion capital raise to build an EMV card plant and expand across border payments, but profits fell 54% in first quarter. Now, this stock is like a young startup, bold expansion, high risk, but very huge potential. In penny stocks, risk often means reward. 2.80 kobo today could become 5 naira or more if this project succeed. And finally, Japaul Gold, trading at 2.60, one of the most active Nigerian penny stocks today. Over 2.4 billion shares traded in the last 3 months, showing strong interest. Profit before tax rose slightly, and they declared a 4 naira dividend. During inflation, people buy gold to preserve their money. So don't be surprised if Japaul Gold price doubled in a very short period of time. Let's be honest, penny stocks are risky. You can make a lot or lose quickly. So here is how to manage it. Don't invest your rent or school fees. Use spare cash to invest in penny stocks. Also spread your investments across multiple stocks like we did today. Also stay informed, follow market news, dividends, and market movements. This way, even if one stock dips, other can balance your portfolio. That's smart investing in Nigerian stocks. Now, I want to hear from you. Which Nigerian stocks do you think will explode in 2025 and 2026? Drop it in the comments so we can discuss. Hit the like button, subscribe and share. Let's help more Nigerians learn how to make their money work for them through Nigerian stocks. Thank you again for watching this video, and I see you in the next video.